It is the Jacquemus Pochette Rond Carre. I'm a mom, I'm a content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama. But she's a Niger babe. Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, entrepreneurship, beauty, food, child, everything I want to talk about is what I talk about on this channel. And of course, luxury. Today we are going to be unboxing one of the most sought after bags. I finally got my grubby little paws on it. So let's go ahead and unbox it and I'll be right back. I waited months to get my hands on this bag. It is the Jacquemus Pochette Rond Carre. I'm sure I'm butchering it, but it's okay because the money butchered when I swiped it. That didn't make any sense. No. Listen, it's okay. FYI, if you are not a part of this channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my community. But let's get into this bag. When I tell you, when I first saw this bag, I threw up in my mouth a little bit and then I ate it again because that's... Have I drank? Did I drink before this? I didn't. I don't know what's wrong with me. But when I saw this bag, I screamed. I knew I wanted it. I went to go purchase it, out of stock. I waited months, got on the waiting list for Jacquemus, got on the waiting list for Farfetch, got on the waiting list for ModSense. I got on every waiting list possible because I knew I wanted this bag. Nobody had it. And then finally, I talked about it so much on the internet. Anytime I saw somebody with it, I said, you got the bag. How did you get that bag? I annoyed so many people that when Jacquemus brought it out again a couple of months later, I had like 7 people DM me and say, Fumi, your bag is here. I went to go buy the bag, sold out. I'm like, what? Literally, I had a friend message me at 10 p.m. I woke up at 6 a.m., went to go put it in my car, all gone. I said, what is happening? Does God not want me to buy this bag? Am I being punished? What have I done? 2 days later, it came back. I got another text. I got it, put it in my cart, bought it. It came in beautiful. The box itself was beautiful. The packaging was immaculate from Jacquemus. And then I opened the bag and I was like, now, let me tell you, it's a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. I'm not going to lie. I did not think it was going to be so big. I am a mini bag girl because I'm a mini girl. I don't care what the scale says. I'm a mini girl. It's a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be, but I love that you can fold it and make it a little bit smaller. So let's get into this bag and talk about some of the specs, what fits into it, and then of course, 2 ways to style it. Now I'm going to read you some of the specs of it because I know I can't remember it from the top of my head. I'm not that girl. It is a takeout clutch, so it does not have straps. It just goes underneath your arms. It's metallic. I love the mix of metals, and we'll get into that a little bit later. It rolls for you to get access to it. Large metal gold circle and square closure endings. It has a magnetic interior closure, interior patch pocket, gold metal logo and hardware. It's fully lined in cotton. And the opening is 35 centimeters. My favorite thing about this bag is that it is leather. And you just would not think it's leather just looking at it. You would think like it's some sort of, I don't know, polyurethane or something. But it is leather. And like they said, it rolls open and it rolls closed. When I got it, it was like this. And to me, this is a little bit too tall and a little bit too big. But it does roll one more time. You have these metallic circles right here, and it will roll and close one more time. Now, hold on. Now, don't do me like that because you were just closing a minute ago. Don't do that. There we go. I love it like this. When it's open like this, it's a little bit too big. Fold it over one more. It is absolutely perfect. Of course, it does not have feet, but I love that the sides come out. So when you sit it on a table or on a chair or wherever on a surface, the sides will hit the table and not the actual leather of the bottom of the bag. It is so gorgeous. The stitching is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer that you can see it. I love the mixed metals. So it's silver, but the knobs on the side are a different color. They are gold. What did Jesus say? Silver and gold have I not, but this I have. Get up and walk. And baby, you will walk with this bag. Hey, Jesus. Hey, Roddy. You unfold it one more time to open it, and then the inside, I'm going to take the stuffing out. It's always good to stuff your bags when you're not wearing it. The inside is also, like they said, a cotton, as well as a little bit of leather on the inside. So let's bring it closer so we can look at this bag a little bit more. So right in the front, you have this small Jacquemus logo, which is how most Jacquemus bags are. You just have this small logo right in the front of it. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous silver. And when I say silver, I mean silver. I don't know why it's so dark. There we go. It's a metallic silver. The inside, again, is a cotton. It is a clutch. So there's no other compartments except for this sleeve, again, for card holder, for your wallet, or for your ID. That is it. The rest of it is cotton. I love that the inside is cotton because you are able to clean it off very easily when it gets dirty. If you want to close it, you just fold it back. And these metallic circles meet up with the metallic circles on the top to fold the bag over even more to make it just a little bit smaller. So this is the bag. I don't know why it's so dark. There we go. You have gold, a gold square and a gold circle on both sides. Gold Jacquemus. The square hardware has Jacquemus imprinted into it. The circle does not. Look at that. I know it's very dark. I don't know why it's so dark, but look at the stitching on this bag. It is so, so, so beautiful. So well put together. So well stitched. It's just a beautiful piece of art. I would definitely say this is like a work of art. Since it is metallic, it is very easily scratched. So I would definitely say be careful with your nails, with keys, and anything else you have around the bag. Because even as quickly as I've gotten it, I have scratched just a little bit of it. So just keep that in mind. It is a bag that you would need to keep a little washcloth inside of, because I feel like you're going to be cleaning it all day. It is metallic. It is metallic. So anything you can see on there, any handprints, baby, you can see your face in this bag. It is like a mirror. So keep a little washcloth or a little, the sunglass cleaner. What are those things called? Baby, keep a piece of napkin and a Windex in this bag to clean it. Otherwise, it's going to look very dirty and very handprint and everything really quickly. Let's talk about what fits inside of the Jacquemus Pochette Rond Carre. This is a pretty substantial bag, so you can actually fit a lot. I'm just going to show you, for instance, you can fit a Nintendo Switch in here. I know that. You can fit a whole bottle of like big boy Vaseline. I'm not talking about the little tiny cute Vaseline. I'm talking about big boy Vaseline inside this bag safely. You can fit an iPhone 15 Pro Max inside of the bag. You can fit a large hand sanitizer inside the bag. Of course, makeup brush inside the bag. A compact inside the bag. A bottle of Paradox by Prada inside the bag. And there is still room for a lot more things. And it will close pretty efficiently. Don't make me out a liar, girl. Don't do it. And it will close pretty efficiently, even with all of these items inside of it. So it does fit a substantial amount of items inside of it. Now let's talk about 2 ways I would style this bag. I love the mixed metals. I'm not a silver girl. I usually don't wear a lot of silvers, but I love this bag because it has gold inside of it as well. And when you wear it as a clutch, you can actually see the gold. The eye goes to the gold more than it goes to the silver. So one way I would style it is with all brown. One color that goes really well with silver is navy. So a navy look would be perfect with this. Green, emerald green would be perfect with this. Turquoise is beautiful with silver. But I would do all brown because it is fallish, winterish. So all brown is perfect. Getting a brown skirt. This skirt is from Zara. A brown cardigan. That is from Urban Revival. A pair of black heels. This bag as a staple piece, as a talking piece of the outfit, is such an easy, beautiful way to style this bag. The next way I would style it is with a simple shirt dress. Now this is a little bit short. It's a short shirt dress from H&M. You can wear tights with it if it's a lot colder. It's not as cold here in the South. Well, the South weather, let me not get into it. The South's weather is like a wishy-washy boyfriend. One day he's in, one day he's out. So some days it's very cold, and very cold for us is like 40. And then some days it's back to 70, 80 degrees. So you never know what you're going to get. I would style it with the shirt dress, and you can wear tights underneath it, a pair of black boots, a jacket. I don't care if it's black, it's gray, play around with it. You can even do a navy blue color with it and change the boots to a navy blue boot. I did a black jacket, and it has a little bit of white inside of it as well. And then this bag to just marry all those black and white tones together. You can put gold jewelry if you want with it, but I'm gonna keep it really simple and just do a pair of simple earrings. I'm not a huge like necklace, rings girl anyway. I like simple jewelry. So this is the second way that I would style this beautiful metallic bag. There's a bunch of different ways you can do this. You can do it with zebra print, like a zebra print outfit with this bag. You can do it with jeans and a white button down and a pair of heels in this bag. Style it up, style it down, doesn't matter. The bag will always eat. Well, I hope you enjoyed the review of this bag. It was not a long video, but I wanted to talk about this bag because it took me so long to get my hands on it, and I wanted to show you different ways to style it, what fits inside of it, what it's made of, and just for you to get a closer look at it. I don't know if it's sold out yet, but I will link it down below if it's still available. Let me know how you like this bag, because I feel like this bag isn't for everybody, but then also it appeals to everybody. So let me know if it's a bag that you would get, yes or no. If you are not a part of my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my community, and follow me on all my social media platforms. It's at Fumi Ford. Hope you enjoyed this video. Love you, mean it.